Alright guys, as I mentioned last night, I told y'all I was going to go ahead and do a video on these motors that I put on last night during the live stream. These motors are the Thrust 23, what are they, or no, 2305, I think it was 2305, what is it, 2450 kV, I believe, I forget, without just looking at it. Doing what I can here. It's early, I'm at work, so I figured real quick I'm going to go ahead and throw this together. I'm going to do a quick hover test for you guys right here in front of the camera. I'll be hovering in, what is it, horizon mode. I'll just kind of, not really zoom around, but I'll just kind of move it around right here so you guys are able to see it, you guys are able to hear it. I'm actually recording this today on the GoPro. With an external mic. This is one of the Rode video mics, so you guys should be able to get the best possible sound that I can give you guys out of this. So the only thing left to do right now, plug in the battery, and so you guys can get a better look at what I've done. The thrust motors, obviously, those got put on last night. Went ahead and chopped them down a little bit so they could reach the LED without having too much excess on them. So, but aside from that, the props, I just went ahead and spray painted them just to kind of give it a little bit different look. I'm waiting for some more props to come in right now. Those props are going to get hydro dipped. It's like a black and yellow kind of to go along with the black and yellow theme of the black carbon and the yellow 3D prints. So let's do a quick hover test so you guys can see how these things sound, and then I can actually see how they perform. So let's get to it real quick before I got to get to work. I'm going to drop this down a little bit. Well, no, it should be all right there. Trying to fight the wind just a little bit. Maybe I should have put on a full battery. Maybe that's what I'll do real quick. Let me grab another battery and see if that helps any. It just don't seem too punchy. But then again, I don't know much about these motors, so
Telemetry lost.
I don't know how they're supposed to act. I don't know how they're supposed to do. So, and like I said, I'm not a very aggressive pilot. I'm more of a flowy kind of just let's go.
Telemetry recovered.
All right, there we go. Telemetry recovered. That's always a good sign. So, let me throw this in the truck. And try this in the air one more time, line of sight, and then I'll just take it for a quick spin. Oh yeah, it's definitely a difference in the battery. Maybe not. Maybe it's the propellers, maybe it's the KV, I don't know. But they're not too, it's not too terribly quick. Slide the goggles down. Now, as for, I feel like I'm missing a little bit of the top end. I feel like it's, you know, I guess you could say I'm used to the 2450s. These are only 2350s. But as for my comfortability factor as to how I fly, they're not horrible. They're not terrible. I also have, I guess you could say, a little bit more aggressive props on here. These I'm not quite sure exactly what they are, but I know that the pitch is a lot greater than what I'm used to. I've also been running the HQ 4-blade props, so it feels, you know, just flying it, just those couple times around my job here, it feels like it's about the same as far as quickness, but it does have a little bit more of a punch mid to end with these props. So I never even looked to see what that little bit with the battery. I'm just looking to see right now. How are you not connected? It's right there. There we go.
Telemetry recovered.
As for my battery voltage, I'm at 15.6. So that couple minutes that I flew around, that couple minutes that I flew around, it only dropped me down to 15.6, which isn't bad. So, but guys, that's it. That's these thrust motors. Excuse me, they're not 2305s. These are 2205 2350 kV. I'm actually looking at it right here. So. But that's it, guys. I'm going to get this pack charged. That way it's charged up at lunchtime. I'm going to get my other one charged up. That way I got them both ready for lunch. And we'll do some more flying around then. Maybe I'll throw some more of that in there if I do get time for it. So, but that's it, guys. The thrust motors, 2205, 2350 kV. See yas.